Yo, what's up guys? Sekwana here. Today is Tuesday, second day of the week. So let's see what we can get from the markets today. The account that I'll be showing here is the Pro Edge account, which I have been trading since the beginning of the month. Because of their tight rules, I'm making this documentary to see if I can really make it through the tight rules and get a payout. So anyway, what I see is this. I see this. I see a buy actually, so I'll be taking a trade. As I said also my previous video, that I take 1:1 trades on my Pro Edge account, so I'm risking $100 for $100. So that's what I'll be doing on this specific trade. $100 for $100. So my TP, it won't be that far, but it's 1:1. I will show my running trade as well on my Pro Edge. So anyway, stay tuned for more updates. Otherwise, I'm also waiting for my funded account, which I might get this week. So yeah, stay tuned for more content guys, more growth. Let's take it to the top. Hope you're having a profitable week so far. Hope Monday was profitable for you. If not, hope you learned the lesson about what you did wrong, because this is the most important thing. So I see we are in profits now. We are just almost like break even, but in profits. So let's see where the volatility pushes the markets. If price can break this high that I threw, then I'll be very much more confident on the buy. But at the moment, this was almost like a risky trade. Yeah, but we'll keep you guys updated on how this trade goes about. Shout out. Trade update guys. So this is my Pro Edge account, but because of the consistency rule, I only take 1:1 trades. I will explain it on a later video because I'm doing a documentary currently, but this is my first documentary, so if it doesn't work out, it's fine, we'll try again. But there's something that a trick that I realized about the Pro Edge, but I will share it with you guys. Anyway, we are running on, as you can see, just just a few pips from TP. I'm just contemplating if I should put break even or not, but anyway, stay tuned. Shout out. Trade update guys. So actually we are back in drawdown. So I ended up not putting my SL break even because the trade didn't go as far as anticipated, and it didn't break. I was expecting it to break that specific high of the consolidation. So let's see if this is a pullback or it's going for our SL. But at the moment I see this, if I put my fib this level here, so in this specific level, I'm just gonna put my SL below that 0.236 level. So as soon as the market breaks that level, as you can see, it's heading for it. Just below it is my SL. So because it's all about risk management, so yeah, if it takes me out right there, if it crosses that zone, that means I'm out of this trade and we'll be looking for other trades. So let me see. Yeah, I'm out guys. Yeah, shout out. Yo guys, ended up taking my second trade, which is a sell. So as you can see, we are in profits, and target on this trade is like $150 dollars. So yeah, let's see if we're really hitting profits or not. So anyway, stay tuned. Shout out. So guys, as you just saw on my mesh trader app, we are in profits. So I entered right here. I placed the trade when I was still outside at the mall, so I didn't really have time to put it on my trading view. So actually this way I put on my trade right here. So yeah, we are running in profits. So we'll keep you guys updated on how this trade goes, and we'll show you guys if my documentary goes well and we get a payout on this Pro Edge account. Anyway, stay tuned for more. Thank you for subscribing. We're growing, y'all. Yo guys, so I'm seeing a reversal pattern, so I'm just thinking to take my profits on break even although we are running on like $50, so now we are running $10, $8. So I'm just gonna close my trade right here. Some of you guys might hate me and be like, why are you closing? But I'm seeing a buy, so I'm going to take a buy here because this trade was not a loss. I literally closed on $8 profit, so it's like I didn't even take a trade. So it's like we took one loss today. This one I'm not really seeing it as anything. So anyway, so I'm executing on this buy, and I think my next trade will be, if this one doesn't work out, my next trade will be in the New York Open, so because that's where the volatility is, New York session, when the New York traders are up, the Wall Street traders are up, that's when like you see a lot of volatility in the markets. So that's when, if this doesn't work out, I'm just gonna call it a day, show up by that time to see what I can collect from the market. Anyway, shout out. Yo guys, I'm not gonna lie, the market is looking choppery. It's chopping, there's no volatility at all. It's just moving up and down. So I'm working on something while I'm busy channeling and backtesting, so I might move my trading session to New York session, but it's something that I'm working on. Till then, stay tuned. Let's keep working, let's keep grinding. Shout out. Yo guys, we've been taking out this trade. See you in the New York session. Anyway, have a blessed week. Wish you a profitable week. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Shout out. How is the New York session coming? Let's see what we can get, guys. We took 2 L's today so far. So it's New York session right now. Let's see how the market is moving. I'm anticipating a sell. I see that it's time to buy, but I'm anticipating a sell. So I'll wait for this candlestick to speak to me to confirm my sell entry. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my sell right here, as I said also on my other accounts, but the one that I'm showing here, since we are doing this challenge, is the Pro Edge account. So that's the trade that I'm going to take there. I'll show you guys running trades. Yeah, we're in profits, looking good. The volatility is pushing the markets to the downside. Yeah guys, let's go to my profile. Running trades. What is it doing now? I want to show you guys my trades when it's deeper, but as you can see, but the risk is nice. It's lovely, actually. The risk was lovely, I don't want to lie. I'm confident. Even if I take a loss, I'm comfortable with it. It's fine. But anyway, stay tuned. We'll keep you updated on how it goes. Trade update, guys. So as you can see, we are running on lovely profits. We're coming with it. We're cooking something. But anyway, I'll keep updating you guys on how this trade goes about. Wish you guys a profitable week, as I have already said. Thank you for subscribing. We're growing. We're about to hit 100 subscribers. Shout out. Yo guys, ended up breaching my 10k Pro Edge account due to over trading. As you can see, account suspension notice regarding the breach. So, and the crazy part is that my account is still on 10k balance, basically break even. I didn't know the stop loss is trailed, but it's the game. But anyway, let me show you guys how I've been pushing this from the second. So because of the consistency rule, you can make more money per day. So that's why I've been targeting $100, $60 per day. So on the third I made this, on the second I also made nice targets. On the fourth as well, which was a holiday, I actually was able to reach my target. And then on Monday, which was the 7th, yesterday, let me just click it. What's happening? Yeah, so Monday we actually ate something as well, so I ended up taking it higher, and I was like, okay, $100 per day. Then I made $100. But then today, that's the day whereby, as you can see, I took so many trades. I've been taking 2 trades per day, 1 trade per day, because of the consistency rule, coming with it lovely. But today I think because I was more focused on my funded accounts, I didn't really pay much more due dividends, or attention to it, which is wrong. But we will try again. I want to show you guys that even the Pro Edge account can still be passed. You can still get a payout, but it's just a bit more stricter because the rules on it are more tighter. You have to make 3% buffer before you place a withdrawal. So if you have a 10K account, you still have to, your account has to be on $300 first. Then you can only withdraw money that's above $300. And after you place a withdrawal, your $300 gets chowed by them, then your account is reset. So it's just a bit unfair, but it's the game because you pay for instant funding, so you get funded instantly after you purchase. So but anyway guys, I will show you guys the next documentary. But anyway, let's keep going, never give up, guys. I'm showing you this because I'm trying to show you guys the real in the life. That's why I post videos from Monday until Friday. I have losing streaks. If you can go back to my videos, there are days whereby there's a month where I was making payouts. Then there was a month where I was not making a payout. There were weeks where I was losing. There were weeks where I was winning consistently. So it happens. But anyway, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for tuning in. Shout out.